Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to see how we can make use of the Facebook page custom audience, which we can use in a Facebook ads campaign. So Facebook page custom audience is wherein we can create one custom audience also for people who are engaging with our Facebook page. So people who come to our page and comment on the page or like and follow the pages, those are the kind of users now you can target as well with your Facebook ads. So this can turn out to be much more effective business strategy because these are people who like your product or your page already. So now targeting them with ads can get us better conversions or conversion rates. So it makes all the more sense for us to create a custom audience around this as well. And you can do this in a very simple manner. So in the Facebook ads account, we can go to audiences where this can be built out. So let's have a look at this, guys. So once we are inside the account, we can come to audiences on the left panel. And here we can start the whole process of building it out. We can create a new custom audience, in which case this is going to be a part of meta sources because these are people who are coming on our Facebook page and interacting with us. So from there, we'll get this data. So we can choose Facebook page here. And we can choose the page on which people are coming and interacting with us. We can also choose the events. What kind of activity are they doing on the page? So there are various options which you can select from, which is like everyone who engaged with your page or anyone who visited the page. Depending on the relevancy of it, you can choose the type over here. Okay. And then the other options are also there, like account centers accounts who engage with your any post or ad. So like this various options Facebook gives us, which you can select from. And you can also decide the retention for how many days would you like to follow them. So we can, a default day can be 30 days, wherein we can follow them with this particular with our Facebook ads. In addition to this, you can also create various combinations. You can include more people if you want to, okay, with other particular, let's say, events or activities which they are doing. So you can combine in this manner as well. So you want to target people from the first page and the second page, two different actions altogether. So this way, various combinations can be created. And then you can give it a name in this particular manner. And if you want to, you can give a description of this audience as well, that what kind of audiences are you trying to target over here. So by giving all these details, we are able to create the custom audience for our Facebook page, as you can see here. So this has been created now, and this will start collecting data of users who come to our page and engage with us. And simultaneously now, what we can do is we can link this particular custom audience with a campaign to follow them with our ads. So we can go to the campaigns page and we can go inside that campaign specifically. And we can go to the ad set level where we can do this audience targeting. So here, as you can see in audiences, if we come, we can go ahead and attach this over here. Combined audiences, this is what we had given it a name. So we can select it. And now this has been linked to our Facebook ads campaign, and this so that the ads can target these particular users who are engaging with our Facebook page. I hope this makes sense. And now you understand how we can make use of the data of users coming to our page and engaging with us by targeting them with our ads. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. And I will see you in the next video.